So in the triangle GH is parallel to DF. What is the length of GE? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and find GE, and I'm going to label that as X. And we have this thing called the side splitter theorem, where if you take a triangle and you draw a line that's parallel to one of the sides of the triangle, it splits it proportionally. And so we could set up proportions. We could say x over 3 equals, and we just have to make sure that it gets the corresponding part. So since x was on top, we're going to use 6 on top. And since 3 was on bottom, we're going to put 4 on bottom. And then we're going to cross multiply and solve it. So 4 times x is 4x. 6 times 3 is 18. Divide each side by 4. Huh. Y'all, I just had this really long, awkward pause because I didn't realize that 4.5 was an answer. And I was like, where is my answer? It's hidden in plain sight right in front of my face. So anyways, you get 4.5.